Most retail traders do not blow up their accounts because they have a broken trading strategy. The money disappears because of behavior, holding a position past a hard stop, revenge trading to make back a quick loss, or turning a green morning into a red afternoon on a giveback day. This chart shows exactly why retail traders fail. The mistakes caused by a bad strategy are a fraction of the total. The massive bar dominating the graph represents behavioral and risk mistakes. The standard advice to fix these behavioral leaks is to keep a trading journal. But manual spreadsheets take hours to update, and they fail to give you actionable insights into your psychology at the moment you hit the buy button. That brings us to TradeZella. It is a web application built to automate your data entry and act as a strict, mechanical accountability partner. This level of oversight costs $49 a month, or $588 a year. There is no free trial to see if the interface fits your workflow, and the company's official policy is that all sales are final. You have to weigh the return on investment. Is this software actually going to save you enough capital to justify the premium price tag, or are you just buying an overpriced spreadsheet? Let's start with the first major selling point: API automation that connects directly to your brokerage account. Instead of typing out tickers and entry prices into a cell, TradeZella automatically pulls in every single execution. It replaces hours of tedious manual data entry with instant tracking. The major trade-off is that this synchronization is highly unstable with certain brokerages. A large portion of negative user reviews explicitly cite API connection failures, particularly with major brokers like Charles Schwab and Interactive Brokers. Because of these bugs, users frequently have to fall back on manual CSV file uploads. That completely defeats the purpose of the automation feature. While the automation promises a massive return on investment in time saved, technical debt means you are paying a premium for a seamless workflow that occasionally breaks. Where TradeZella proves its value is in its discipline-enforcing ecosystem and layered risk management tools. You can set structured risk parameters for your account, including maximum drawdown limits, daily loss limits, and giveback rules designed to protect your daily profits. It also uses a playbook feature. This forces you to tag every single trade with a specific setup you used and your exact emotional state, like confident, fearful, or impulsive, at the time of entry. This dashboard breaks down your lost profits. By tagging trades, you create a visual database exposing which emotions bleed capital. The data gets specific, letting you see exactly when discipline breaks down, like confirming 40% of profits are lost on Fridays due to FOMO. The strict limitation of the software is that it only logs mistakes and highlights leaks. It cannot physically freeze your brokerage account to stop you from executing a bad trade. But if these layered risk tools and visual warnings prevent you from taking just one $500 emotional revenge trade, over the course of a year, the capital return on investment instantly covers the annual subscription. The final return on investment category comes from the tools built to help you visually validate and refine your actual trading strategy. TradeZella includes a historical data backtester, allowing you to test your strategies against 10+ years of market data without needing to know how to write code. It also includes a free prop firm sync tool. This gives you one centralized place to track your progress, rules, and daily drawdown limits across multiple funded prop firm challenges. For traders who learn through observation, the most significant feature in the suite is tick-by-tick trade replay. This chart reconstructs exact market conditions during a past trade, letting you watch your entry and exit points play out in real time as candles print. The major pricing catch here is that this trade replay feature is locked entirely behind the expensive $49 a month Pro tier. Users on the $29 basic tier completely miss out on the platform's best visual learning tool. If you are a serious learner, you are forced to pay the absolute maximum premium. TradeZella is a highly effective accountability tool, but it is undeniably expensive and demands an ongoing financial commitment. We can map out a specific decision framework to help you figure out if you fit the profile of a TradeZella customer. This flowchart starts by asking you to identify your primary reason for needing a trading journal. If rewatching trades is your primary method for improvement, you have to purchase the Pro tier to access Trade Replay. If you manage multiple funded prop firm accounts, the free sync tool makes the basic tier highly valuable. You should actively avoid this software if you are a budget-conscious retail trader, for whom nearly $600 a year represents a massive percentage of your actual trading capital. You should also look elsewhere if you want deep AI automation that actively detects complex tilt patterns and writes weekly reviews for you. TradeZella's AI is largely superficial. Finally, if you need to test software before committing, remember that taking the plunge carries financial risk. Without a free trial or published refund policy, you are stuck paying for the service, even if the broker sync fails. TradeZella is an elite, premium accountability partner that pays for itself if you use its data to stop your own emotional leaks, but it is an unnecessary cash drain if you only need a basic ledger to track your wins and losses.